everyone. I will tell you about an experience that I can't forget. When I was kindergarten, my school had visited to Kidzania to play while studying. There I got to know a lot of job profession, from doctor, teachers, and firefighter. I was very happy to go there because I could try this profession as real and get paid like an employee. At the time I tried the profession as a part-time employee. There I working raffling cars that I wanted to raffling. After that, I tried to become a firefighter. The salary that I get when I work, I exchange it from attractive price for me to take home. That is experience that I will never forget. If possible, I will try to return to playing Kidzania.